Welcome back. In this video, we will see two example questions related to trigonometric identities. The first question is a proof. The question is, we have to show 1 minus sine theta equivalent to cos square theta over 1 plus sine theta. In order to prove this one, the left side of it equivalent to right hand side, we can use our trigonometric identities. This must be given in your formula sheet. So this is left hand side. I say left hand side, and this is right hand side. So I can start from left hand side and get the right hand side answer, or I can start from right hand side and all the way to left hand side and prove it. In this question, it would be easy if I start with right hand side. So right hand side is equal to cos square theta over 1 plus sine theta. The sine square theta equal plus cos square theta equal to 1. So if rearrange this one, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so what I can do, instead of cos square theta, I can write 1 minus sine square theta over 1 plus sine theta. If you remember difference of 2 square in your GCSE, which is x squared minus y squared, mean x plus y and x minus y. We can use the same difference of 2 square formula to simplify this equation. 1 minus sine square theta we can write as 1 squared minus sine theta squared over 1 plus sine theta. Well, this means 1 squared minus sine square theta is 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta according to difference of 2 square divided by 1 plus sine theta. Now you can cancel this one and this one. That will give us an answer 1 minus sine theta, which is equal to left hand side of the equation. Therefore, right hand side equivalent to left hand side. This concludes the proof. Let's move to next example. In this example, we need to show sine theta over tan theta, that is left hand side of this equation, is equal to 0, which is right hand side of this equation. In order to prove this one, I am going to start with left hand side. Left hand side is sine theta over tan theta minus cos theta. I'm going to cos theta divided by 1. It does not make any difference. So I'm going to take tan theta as a common denominator. So sine theta minus tan theta cos theta. If you remember, tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. Therefore, I'm going to replace tan theta with sine theta over cos theta. So sine theta minus tan theta is sine theta over cos theta times cos theta over tan theta. Now I can able to cancel this one, cos theta and cos theta. The condition is cos theta should not be equal to 0. If it is 0, we can divide, right? So this equation will be valid for all the theta values as long as cos theta is not equal to 0. The result is sine theta minus sine theta over tan theta. This is going to be 0. This is equal to right hand side of the equation. This concludes the proof.